initiative. The Bhavya scheme. It is managed by Department of Promotion of National Trade (DPIIT). The operational guidelines target the development of 100 mega industrial parks in financial year 2026-27 and financial year 2031 to 32 to scale manufacturing logistics. Then comes Urban Challenge Fund (UCF). It is approved by Union Cabinet with a central assistance of 1 lakh crore. This fund is designed to build climate responsive, resilient, smart cities. Its operation span is from financial year 2030 to 31. It can be extended to 33-34 also. BRICS Indoor Declaration, adopted under India's BRICS presidency at Agriculture Ministers meeting. This document creates proposed BRICS gain exchange and launches BRICS network on digital agriculture. Next is capital infusion in SIDBI to enhance credit delivery ecosystem for MSME. The cabinet approved an early inclusion of rupees 5,000 crore to Small Industries Development Bank, that is SIDBI. Now, sector-specific highlight: defense sector transformation 2014 to 2026 budgetary leap. The national defense budget touched to record of rupees 7.85 lakh crore in financial year 20. Export milestone driven by Atmanirbhar Bharat and positive indigenization list PILS. Defense export surged to rupees 38,424 crore in financial year 2025-26, reaching over 80 countries. Now, energy and infrastructure, WEF Energy Transition Index, that is for 2026, India ranked 70th globally. Wind energy capacity reached 56 and revised long-term target is 100 GW by 2030 and 156 GW by agricultural economy. PM Kisan 23rd installment of rupees 18,800 crore was released directly to farmers in June 2026. Wheat procurement target: the center raised the baseline wheat procurement target to 345 lakh metric tons to insulate buffer against erratic weather conditions. So these are the highlights of